of Secretary of Justice Vitaliano Aguirre II to the Chief Justice on the designation of special courts outside of Mindanao to hear cases to be filed against those involved in the Maute Group takeover of Marawi City, the court resolved to do the following. First, designate the Regional Trial Court of Cagayan de Oro City to hear, try, and decide all cases and incidents arising from the Maute Group takeover of Marawi City. 2. Direct these courts to speedily act on all prosecutions and incidents arising from the Maute Group takeover, complying with the revised guidelines on continuous trial and all relevant court resolutions and issuances designed to expedite criminal prosecutions such as, but not limited to, the use of conditional examination of witnesses, depositions, and interrogatories, and extended pretrial proceedings to facilitate the trial. For this purpose, the judicial affidavit rule is hereby expressly made applicable to all cases that may be filed. 3. Designate the Court of Appeals Mindanao Station based in Cagayan de Oro as the station to hear and act on all incidents relative to the requirements of Republic Act 9372 or the Human Security Act. 4. Direct the court administrator to coordinate with the Commanding General, 4th Infantry Division, 4th ID, stationed at Camp Evangelista, Patag, Cagayan de Oro City, to determine appropriate security measures for court personnel, prosecutors, lawyers, and accused, as well as appropriately secure detention facilities to be located within Camp Evangelista, but under the supervision and control of the RTC of Cagayan de Oro City. All I have. Questions? You know. Designate the Court of Appeals Mindanao Station based in Cagayan de Oro City as the station to hear and act on all incidents relative to the requirements of RA 9372 or the Human Security Act.
In connection still with the declaration of martial law and suspension of the privilege of habeas corpus writ,
That's not it. It's the possible prosecution as requested by. It has nothing to do with that. Apparently, based on the letter, it's connected to the prosecution of cases. Wait, yes, but the court designated Cagayan de Oro. Yes, Marlon. Cagayan de Oro, ang sinabi nila. Okay? Hindi ko maalala actually. I think 1, 2, 3, 5, I think. I'm not too sure. Sorry. I don't know. Okay? Tana?
Sir, again, the order to be live streamed,
We will
At
announce
yan
that.
po ang naging press conference ng Korte Suprema. Ayon sa tagapagsalita ng Korte Suprema ni si Attorney Theodore Te ay na-designate po ang RTC Cagayan de Oro para dinggin ang lahat ng kaso na kaugnay sa nangyaring martial law sa Marawi. Kailangan din daw i-expedite ang pagdinig ng mga kaso at ang Court of Appeals na nakabase sa Cagayan de Oro din ang didinig sa mga kaso. Na-designate din ng 4th Infantry Division para matiyak daw ang kaligtasan ng mga RTC dyan sa Cagayan de Oro. Samantala, nabanggit din na na-reset ang preliminary conference sa kaso ng election na protest ni Bongbong Marcos kay Vice President Leni Robredo mula June 21 ay na-reset to ng July 11, 2 p.m.